All Signs Collective, Soulmate, Twin Flame, all that I need to know about your person. I'm sorry for not being regular. I was really overwhelmed by personal readings. Took a break because I was not in the right energy. So yeah, let's start. What are you guys going through? What are you guys going through? Okay, with King of Wands, many of you guys right now are not as much as in a bad energy as you used to be. Okay, bottom card, you in the past you felt like you were lacking balance, you were lacking peace in your life, but right now I see you being in good energy overall. Okay, with Two of Swords, you may not have decided as to what to do, but you definitely feel your vibe again. You definitely are in a good space again. Okay, one more card for what are you guys going through? Soulmate Twin Flames Collective for the next, let's take 3 days. With Three of Wands, I feel many of you guys are looking forward and not looking back. You guys are looking forward to something new in your life. In the past, yes, something did not work, like something did not go in your favor as well. Some of you might have also felt rejected, or some of you, even after having multiple options, could not choose because none of them really connected. The one you wanted never really, reached out maybe. Okay, I'm sorry, but yeah, that's something I see for now. Overall, what's your energy going to be for the next 3 days? Overall, what's your energy going to be for the next 3 days? Soulmate Twin Flame, please. With Ten of Pentacles, I see you majorly focused on your finances, stability, family life, growth, future. Okay, in the past, you guys were possibly distracting yourself from not wanting to think about someone. You guys were not at peace. You guys were just pretending to be fine, but you guys were not fine. Right now, I see you much in much better energy overall. Okay, regarding your person, what are they up to? Soulmate Twin Flame. What's your person up to? One card for them, please. What's your person up to? Okay. Please clarify. Please clarify what's Soulmate Twin Flame up to. What's your Soulmate Twin Flame up to? Okay. For many of you, this person has been distant. Okay, a reason being, I'll be very honest. We have Ace of Cups. So I feel for many of you, your person has met someone new. Okay, reason why they are so distracted from you or so much unavailable is because they are entertaining something else. Okay, mind you, my readings are not continuous, so the last reading might not at all like connect with this reading. So I want you to go with the flow when it comes to tarot, not just me, with everyone. Okay, with Ace of Cups, I believe the major reason being something new coming in their life, new beginnings altogether. Okay, so how do they think about you now? How do they think about you now? One card for how do they think about you now? I do feel with Ten of Cups, you are still their happiness, their wish fulfillment. But the problem is something new, something new that could have possibly crossed them, or something that they were trying to distract themselves from you. Okay, like they were entertaining someone just to distract themselves from you, and that could have just, kept on going to a point where this person is right now their second option. You're getting me here, right? They still look at you as their happiness, their wish fulfillment, their dream come true, all that bullshit. Okay, one card for what do they want with you now? What do they want with you now? One card for what do they truly want with you now? Five of Pentacles. They do not know what they want with you. Majorly, they feel like this relationship they have with you, or this connection they have with you, doesn't have it to go full circle. They are lacking something, or you are lacking something, or all sorts of differences that are getting in the way. But they are not hopeful that this might go all the way with you. The reason why right now they are being open towards other options is because they are very negative about this connection going full circle with you. Okay, one card for how do they think about you now? How do they think about you now? Okay. With Three of Pentacles, one more card, please clarify. Three of Pentacles here. They do want to work things out with you, but not go all the way. They are not really looking forward towards the commitment part because they feel that is never going to be possible. I'm so sorry for the background music. We have the chariot card. So they do want to move forward with you, but not yet. Okay. The major reason they are not coming forward is because our option is very much distracting them. Someone they used to distract themselves from you is right now their second option, and that shit kind of got in the way. Okay, with two of wands, I believe this person is very much getting in the way. Okay, for some of you this might be long distance. For many of you, your person in the month of March might decide to meet you in person, might also want to travel in order to see you. Six of swords, the chariot, three of pentacles, they are planning something towards you. Okay, one card for their current feelings towards you, one card for their current feelings towards you. What are the current feelings towards you, please? We have the Knight of Cups, which tells me that they still have shit for you. They still very much have shit for you. But how are they coming forward, Spirit? How they very much have shit for you, okay? And I feel that this person is still in their feelings. I know things did not go well for the both of you in the past, but there's a very strong possibility that your person is still in their feelings. Okay, they haven't let go of you completely. Even if they have other options, I do not see themselves moving on from you. Okay, so in terms of what can you expect, in terms of what can you expect from this person now, what can you possibly expect from this person now? Strength card, I still see this person resisting, still holding back, still not wanting to give in. Okay, with Page of Swords, they might be stalking you but not really open to starting something. Okay, in terms of their intentions, Spirit, in terms of their intentions, to be honest, they still want to stay away. They still do not want to give in completely. Okay, like what are the major blockages, Spirit? Like what's really blocking the connection? We have too many cards here, but eight of Pentacles, one thing I see is they are very focused on their work. They cannot decide on what they want. And Justice card, they are wanting to do things that is right for the both of you. So if they feel like them coming towards you won't really get anywhere, they won't really want to waste your time. Okay, so maybe for the first time your person is concerned about you. They are concerned as to, like whether it's going to be good for you, bad for you. Do not entertain this person right now, because right now this person is not in a position to offer you anything. Okay, with Four of Wands, they do have a long term in mind, but they are not in a position to offer you that. Okay, right now the major blockages, they haven't decided as to what they want. Second thing I feel is they want to do the right thing for the both of you, and third is work life. Okay, so one more card for what are they wanting to do towards you now? What are they wanting to do towards you now? What are they wanting to do? We have Seven of Cups. They are still very confused as to what they want to do. So I still see this possibly going on for like couple of days. I don't see really things moving forward for the next few days. Okay, things are very much going to remain the way it is. Okay, they might communicate, but nothing could come out of it. Okay, for now where this is going. For now where this is going. For now where this is going. For All Signs Collective, Soulmate, Twin Flame. Yeah, I still see you being single from them and them being single from you. Both emotionally detached, both trying to stay away, both trying to get single. So you guys are both possibly mirroring each other. Reason being the Tower card. Fear. You both fear a negative outcome. You both fear this ending on a bad note. Your past is very much stopping you from completely giving in. Okay. All those who are interested in something new, what is happening with them? With Ten of Wands, you guys are still overwhelmed by your past. You guys are not yet ready for it. So give yourself a month or two to heal yourself before getting into new connection. With Six of Pentacles, right now your main concern should be finding balance in your life. Okay. One more card for what's coming in your life. What's coming in your life? With Five of Wands, I still feel like you guys are still upset over the past. You guys haven't completely let go of the past. You guys are still very much thinking of the past and still very negative about the past. Okay, like still upset with the past person. Okay, so what new is coming in your life? What new is coming in your life? With the Devil card, I feel strongly that someone who fucking broke your heart is going to try to return back to your life. For what, I do not know. That you'll need a personal reading. I can't be speaking about the whole stuff on a general reading, but this is what I have for you. Okay, let's see what your person up to. Spirit messages from what you should be knowing about your person. Wants family, so they do want family, but I still feel there are blockages. Okay, what else? Or it may be that you want family and they don't. Something is definitely getting in the way. You mean a lot to me, so you do mean a lot to them, even if they are pretending like you don't mean anything. You still mean a lot to them. The person is messed up, darling. Trust me when I say this. Grateful, thankful for having met you and all that you have done for them. Grateful, thankful for all that you have done for them and for having met you. Okay, toxicity bounds and pattern. Okay, toxicity bound and pattern. So I do feel like the cycle is possibly going forward. Nothing is happening much. So yes, let's take messages from your person. What would they want to say to you now? What are they trying to say to you now? This connection means a lot to me, but it freaks me out as usual. I want to get drunk with you is their second message. So maybe they are not being able to say what they want to say to you when they are normal or sober, but they do want to get drunk and speak about some deep shit with you. Okay, one more card. Should be you knowing about this person. My karmic is the problem. Just like I told you, someone is definitely distracting them or stopping them from coming forward towards you completely. So yes, this is what I have for you. I've also done Libra extended. So all those who want to get a Libra extended from me, that's up for purchase for the next 7 days. So it's going to be only for those who have someone, and it's majorly done based on the connection that is messed up, not for like connections that are really going good. Do not purchase if your connection is going good. But if your connection is messed up, say suppose your person has a third party or something messed up, you should go for the reading. If things are well in your life, like your person is completely focused on you, do not buy it. So yes, for Libra extended, please go to my website and purchase it for $4. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.